Good morning, people. Today, Sunday, 9 o'clock. Let's see this analogic clock. Yeah, 9:15 Sunday morning, 3 degrees Celsius outside, very, very cold. And this is the second video regarding the restoration of a Range Rover Classic from 1996. This is the 300 TDI. Range Rover Classic. Already showed you in the first video. This is a sequence of videos show you the interior. You can check that video also in the notes, in the final notes on the video. I'll leave that for you to check it. And now this is the second video, and I will show you outside pre-restoration, because tomorrow the car will be on the shop on the garage. We say garage in Portuguese. We say garagem. For all the things that I want to do with it. I also want you to be, if you want, to make any suggestions on anything that you would like to see in the car. But I want this car to be completely stock, completely bare bones, you know. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check all the things that I don't want and all the things that have to be addressed in the car. Okay, very well. I'm recording on the iPhone. This is the car. I don't know, with this light, it is green. The last one that I had was Niagara Grey. I don't know what this green is. I don't know. It's not British green. It's some other green. Now, first thing that I want to remove is this side step guards, or whatever you call it. You know, they are original, but I want to take it. I want to take this away. I don't like them. Sometimes they are useful for other people and for my children to step on it, but I don't like it. Next, I will be restoring these wheels. I already bought the center wheel caps, you know, the other ones were faded, so I already bought that. But I will restore to the original shape, original color, everything like this, but restored, all four wheels. I will do that. There are some paint problems that I want to address, like some scratches over here, key scratches. The paint is not too bad. There are some dings here and there. I will show you, but it's not it's not bad at all. Still, it has this original. It is impossible to find. I have to address this. I don't know how. But I'm not a specialist. The car will be delivered to a specialist at this Range Rovers. More. Probably I'll make some cuts because of the license plate. Now, there is a huge thing here. The guy that this is a second owner car. I'm the second owner of this car. There is something that when he pulled out of his garage, but this is good because this is one of the parts. The bonnets and these are steel and not aluminium, so it's good we can do something here. And I already bought also this light because of this damage. He broke the light also, and I found it on a second hand because I didn't want it. First, I couldn't get the originals new, so I bought it second hand because of one reason. I didn't want a brand new because there will be a color shift between the two lights. The other is old, and you know, I don't like that. So, but this is in good condition. Some scratches over here, but I want to see that also. Another thing, the previous owner, because of his wife that was also always bumping into other cars, I told you in the beginning, he put this how do you say, parking sensors, back parking sensors, and I will take that away. So I'll have to buy this. I'll have to fix this also because you know, but no problem there. I can find still these pieces. And now already put the original flaps on the wheels, also bought it from Land Rover parts, and now they were, you know, they were very skinny, the other ones, and I like this. And I also bought for the front wheels these mud guards, that I like it. So, and it will be original, and I will place it, as you know, right there. More things. This, I don't like this, so I'll take this apart. I honestly don't like this thing over here, so I will take and I will keep it storage, or in storage, because this is original piece. These secondary lamps are not, but I don't like them. Also, regarding the auxiliary lamps number 1, I'll pick ones that are already cracked over there, and they are faded, so I will buy a new ones. And regarding this is for the guys that know some things. These are the original ones, and I want, but they are very dark because of, you know, there is water inside. So I don't know if I can, you know, I don't know. I have to see if it is possible to clean it inside, or I don't know. If not, I will buy new ones, but these are the originals, Land Rover, and there isn't any piece available on the market from, there is only OEM parts, and, you know, I will see, because I want this to be, you know, looking fresh. Now, the big problem here is these letters. I'll have to see, you know, they are faded, but these are the original letters, I believe, and I don't want to, because there is some parts here that are, you know, already giving up. So I want to see if it is possible to put this in order. Now, more things. See, all the faded lights, I don't like that. The primary are very nice, the high beams are perfect. More things that are bad here. I don't know, there isn't anything. There are small dings that have to be repaired here. Another one over there. This will be difficult. I know this is aluminium, and I don't know how they can address that, but I don't know, leave it to the specialists. All the rubber inside was placed new by the previous owner, so this is in very good state. Very, very nice. Look, when you close it, it's nice. Now, there is also something here that was supposed, you know, a little scratch. Let's see if it is possible to fix. There is some fade here on the chrome, but I will leave it like this, because it is not possible to arrange, to get these pieces. They're only third party, and they don't have this chrome, and I want to leave it stock, and I told you. This is the other light. This was okay. And now here there is something I have to address. This has to be painted also, like the other side, and this will be my problem. Look at these letters here. They are, you know, beginning to peel, and I want them to, I think these are the original ones. I want to keep them. I would like to see some, you know, some age in the car, and I want to keep these ones. It's impossible to get these letters again, so only the new ones, and I don't like it, but well, I have to think about it. And there is also the license plate. I will show you, I will blur the license plate, but give me a second. Okay, this license plate, as you can see, is squared, and here in Portugal we have the elongated ones, and I will take this also, this plate. The problem here is the fixed. It's not screws. You know, it's I don't know the term in English, and since it's blurred, I cannot show you. There is a hole in the steel, so I have to paint also this part. And over here the symbol is not on the right place, so it has to be on the right place. But these are picking things, I'll have to address that. Now, the car, as you can see, this is the major damage here. This annoys me, and this is superficial rust because of the lack of the paint. No rust at all. This car is rust free, no rust whatsoever. It's perfect. No, it's very, very nice. The paint job, it's okay. I don't have to respray the car because this car was resprayed, I suppose, 5 years ago, or 4 or 5 years ago, according to the owner. So I don't want to respray the car. And all the things are stock here, so no lifts, nothing. It's completely stock, this car. And guys, this is it. I don't have anything more to show you. If you want, I told you, I want to take the side step, the front, how do you say, front guard or whatever, lights, repair the bodywork, and that's it. So if you have any idea or any suggestions on what is wrong, if the letters are right or not, if I change it or not, go ahead and leave it in the comments. So next video will be in the shop, okay, making the work, and I will keep you posted in that. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.